If you want to create a Beehiiv landing page that looks clean, converts well, and is ready to collect subscribers, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the full process step by step, from opening the website builder to publishing your page and setting up what happens after someone subscribes. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your Beehiiv account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look over to the left sidebar and click on Website. This is where Beehiiv keeps all of your site and landing page tools. After that, select Edit Website. This will open the website builder where you can start creating or editing your landing page. Now, Beehiiv gives you a few different options depending on what kind of page you want to build, so go ahead and choose the type of landing page you want to create. This could be a simple subscribe page, a lead capture page, or another page designed to grow your email list. Once you choose the type, Beehiiv will usually let you start from a template or from scratch. If you want a faster setup, pick a template that matches your brand or your goal. If you want complete control over the layout, start from a blank page. Either way works, and the best choice depends on how customized you want the final design to be. After that, it's time to edit the page headline. Your headline is one of the most important parts of the landing page because it's the first thing people see. Make it clear, direct, and benefit-focused. Next, add a subheadline that explains the value of subscribing. This is where you can tell visitors what they'll get, why it matters, and what makes your newsletter worth joining. A strong subheadline can make a huge difference in conversion rate, so keep it simple and persuasive. Once the main text is in place, customize the fonts and typography. Beehiiv lets you adjust the style so your landing page feels more aligned with your brand. Choose fonts that are easy to read and make sure the overall design feels clean and professional. After that, add your logo. This helps build trust and makes the page look more branded and polished. If you have social proof or active social channels, you can also add social media links. This gives visitors another way to connect with you and can help strengthen credibility. Now, let's move into a really useful part of the setup. Click on Settings in the website builder. Inside the settings area, you can create a sign-up flow. This is especially helpful if you want subscribers to be redirected somewhere after they sign up. For example, you might want them to go to a thank you page, a survey, or even a custom URL. That post-subscribe experience is a great way to guide new subscribers to the next step. Once your sign-up flow is created, assign it to your subscribe form. This tells Beehiiv exactly what should happen when someone enters their email and joins your list. It's a small step, but it makes your funnel much more complete and professional. After that, preview the landing page on both desktop and mobile. This is very important because a page can look great on one device and broken on another. Check the spacing, headline size, button placement, and overall layout to make sure everything looks good on every screen. When you're happy with how it looks, go ahead and click Publish Now. And just like that, your Beehiiv landing page is live and ready to start collecting subscribers. If you followed along, you now know how to build a landing page, customize it, set up a sign-up flow, and publish everything properly in Beehiiv. If this tutorial helped, please hit like and subscribe for more step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.